Hello. That's what you do. Our test 3. So I was talking to the class just a minute ago about preparing for the test. The best thing you can do is really concentrate during class at home when you're studying. Right, everybody? Yeah. I'm going to do a really quick review of what we learned. We learned a couple of things. Let's look at the very first example we learned. Let's say we were going to buy something like a pizza. And we know that if we added $1 to it, to that price, then that was 20 bucks. So we know that the price is 19 bucks. The reason I started with a simple example is because we actually can tell that we subtracted 1 on both sides. We got rid of the 1. So that's the process. That's where this opposite thing comes from. So that's why I want you to understand where it came from. Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Everybody see that? Yeah. Everybody see it? You don't see it? Oh, you did see it. Okay. And now if we also, this is super important, what if I have something like 7 pizzas? What does that mean? Is that add, subtract, multiply, or divide? That doesn't mean divide. It means multiply, so we would have to divide. If it was negative 7p, it's negative 7 multiplied. So a lot of people are forgetting that. Oh, I forgot I spelled that. Okay. And then we learned our rule for changing our inequalities if you multiply or divide by negative. So that's pretty much it, except for graphing. All right, pick a color, any color, ice cream.
Pink.
Yeah, pink.
Pink, okay. All right, so ice cream came all the way from Hawaii. Let's hear it from ice cream. I don't know about you, but I like ice cream. Okay, ice cream, go ahead.
Okay, so first to get rid of the 6, you have to do the inverse operation.
Hey, good vocabulary. Okay.
And so you have to do negative 6. And what you do on one side, you have to do on the other side.
Hey, she's doo-dooing doo-doo rule. Okay. The doo-doo rule. All right, if you do it on one side,
you do it on the other side.
All right. So what does that make?
So you have to you have to do good guys, bad guys, and you put both 10 and 6 on the negative side, so bad guys 1, and you get negative 16. So that means y equals 16. I mean negative 16.
Yes, negative 16. Very good. Let's hear it for ice cream. We all scream for ice cream. All right, ice cream. Okay, so Mr. Oh, I almost said your real name. But you are Skittles. All the way from the rainbow. Let's hear it for Skittles. I have some wild berry Skittles at home. They've been sitting in the corner for like 3 months. 5 months.
Oh no.
Like this big bag of them.
This thing probably has mold on it now.
Yeah,
those
probably.
They probably stay good for like ever.
No, they don't. Those things, if they go after a month, they're just stale, and after 2 months, they mold pretty much.
Mold?
Yeah.
Alright.
He doesn't believe anything.
Anyway. Okay, so Mr. Skittles, what color do you want?
Green.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
So the first step for this is we do, since it's multiplication, since the variable is next to the number, we do division.
Very good. So we have to know that that looks like multiplication. So the worst thing you could do, everybody, is plus 4. That is not minus 4. It's negative 4 times z. So we divide by the same sign. Remember, multiplication and division is the same sign. Very good. So z is equal to?
Negative 4.
Negative 4, you're right. Very good, because we used Dorito Man. Okay, go ahead. Thank you very much. Okay, who is next? I don't know. Next is going to be... I have to find your original seat. Batman! Batman. Good timing. It's your turn. Just got back from the restroom. Alright, let's hear it from Batran, all the way from Gotham City. I can't remember it from here. Okay, what color do you want, sir?
Orange.
Orange.
She's on her
Please turn that off. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. First, you have to subtract 7 to both sides of the inequality.
Okay, I'm gonna use my method though. Superstar.
Okay.
Superstar is
Superstar is X.
X. Co-star
4.
4.
And the extra 7.
Good. So that just helps me to get rid of the extra first, everybody, right?
Yep.
So you don't have to use that system, but if you do, it helps a lot of students to do the right step first. Okay. So go ahead.
And then you divide 4 to each side.
Yeah, we haven't done the right side yet though.
Oh, it's positive 24.
24. Very good. Now we divide by 4. You went ahead before. Okay, and then we get
X equals 6.
X equals 6. Now I've seen a lot of people that skip this step. You want to write it out. You don't want to just skip stuff and write stuff up here. You want to actually turn one step on this line and another step on that line. 2 steps. Yes, sir.
You gotta do a good guy's time. You gotta show your work on the.
Oh, well, yeah, you can.
Great job,
It's subtraction, though, too. So, yeah, 31. Thank you. 7. Good guys, number 24. Thank you, sir. What's your code name? You don't have one.
It's Connor.
It's Connor.
I'm okay with that. Yeah.
Well, we always used to say students' actual names. I just changed that just for fun.
It don't matter.
Okay, but he's staying up, Batman. You're doing number 4 too. Remember? Yeah. You want me to do it?
No.
Okay, Superstar.
T.
T, do we agree?
I do.
Yeah, co-star.
2.
2. Extra.
26.
Negative 26.
Negative 26.
Alright, now what?
You get rid of the extra.
Right, by adding 26 on both sides. Very good. So we get 2t is equal to
38.
38.
Now you divide by 2 on both sides.
Alright, you guys see how this turned into a one-step equation. So I should see 2t equals on the second step on the test. T is equal to?
19.
Very good. Alright, let's hear it. Very good, very good. Alright, we have to go quickly. So this is now Thrasher. Thrasher Shark, right? Thrasher Shark. Let's hear it for Thrasher Shark. That sounds like a wrestler name or something. Okay. Alright, go ahead. Who's the superstar?
The superstar is the X.
Okay, co-star.
5.
Extra.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. I heard some distractions back here, sorry. So we add 1. Yes.
Then you do good guys, bad guys.
Mm-hmm.
You put the 2 on the positive side, on the negative side, and you put the 1 on the positive side.
So bad guys win by 1, right?
Yes.
X over 5 is equal to negative 1. Now what?
You do 5 times on both sides.
Sorry, I did this on all my classes. I need to put this down. Okay. Alright, we do times 5 on both sides. Okay, let's do it. Times 5, which makes?
X equals negative 5.
Negative 5. Yep, because we're going to do a Dorito Man here. Okay, good. Now, and then she's going to do the next one too. Superstar.
X is superstar.
Is what?
Z is superstar.
Z, yes. Co-star.
Negative 4.
Extra.
Negative 5.
Do we agree, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, what do we get rid of first, everybody? Superstar, co-star, or extra? Extra! So how do we get rid of the extra?
We do plus 5 on both sides.
Yep. And this might be a good one for good guys, bad guys. We have 5 and 1. Good guys win by 4. Negative 4z equals to positive 4. Now
Now you divide on both sides by -4.
divide by -4. Yeah. You get -1. Hold on a second. Alright, here we go. I gotta find your code name though. Code name is a bro moment. Okay, bro moment. Alright, how do we do it? Superstar.
Oh, superstar. X.
X, co-star.
-2.
-2 extra.
+1.
Right, so what do we do first?
We subtract 1 from the +1.
Subtract 1, which is?
B.
B. B like boy. Okay. Okay, let's do the backside. So let's see, we have M&M. M&M's. Okay, M&M's. How do we do this?
So you put a closed circle on -5.
He says closed circle. Do we agree?
Yes.
Yeah, why?
Because your spaghetti won't fall out.
Because of the spaghetti. Right. But what about the symbol? Why does the symbol tell us that it's closed? Because it has the plate. It has the equal sign under it. This little plate thing means it's closed. So if there's no plate under, open. Right, everybody? Okay, is it going to the left or right?
The left.
All right. Do we agree?
Yes.
That's it. Close circle to the left. Easy cheesy. All right. Oh, now, okay, I gotta bring my Britney Spears over there. Okay, so let's see. It's River. River. That's what it says your code name on. Okay. All right. You have to say if it's open circle or closed circle, right? Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Open circle. She says open circle. Why? Why? What about the symbol? What part of it?
There's no plate.
There's no equal sign underneath it, right? We all got that? Okay, and which way is it going, left or right? She said going to the right. Alright, good job. So it's an open circle going to the right. Okay, open circle because there's no equal underneath it. So open circle. They're equal. First person using the microphone. Okay, it's not me. Alright, there you go. You know, it actually looks nicer if I use a highlighter. Alright, so I'm going to... Alright, so let me do this quickly because we only have a minute left. Okay, so you're going to... We need to be careful of our inequality sign, right? So we're going to look at our co-star. Uh-oh. Hold on, let's finish this quickly. Oh, excuse me. We're not leaving yet. We can finish it.
I got told it. Gotta go work.
Hold on, excuse me. Since this co-star is negative, we need to change the inequality to the other direction. Okay, since our co-star is negative.